We got my S63, a C63S, and another C63S, and then we got another C63 W204. That's on his way. He just went to go pick up his friend. But as you can see, we are gonna go on a little cruise. Cars are washed. All we got now is a nice cruise. Oh man. But yeah, today I found out, literally I was walking to my car. I came here actually, I didn't even realize myself. POV brother noticed that someone had scratched my car. And it was not like a scratch, it was more like a dent, like a deep scratch. Oh man. It is what it is, it happens, but why isn't mine going more than first? Oh, it's crazy. Never mind, I'm gonna close that. Where's the other one? Oh no. Did something go? Because he quickly just check his car. Oh man, that's a shame. Do you think maybe some oil leaked somewhere? Smells like oil. Yeah, it might be a little leak, and it just got on a hot component. That's crazy, man. Can't lie, that was a nice motorway run. But it is boiling. That is nuts, bro. That sounds amazing. Oh, we got a flipping 135i, bro. Sit your ass down, boy. Whose car is that, bro? Oh, my guy, thank you. Yeah. Huh? Say no more. I know I'm a small creator, and for everyone that says that they follow me, they know me, Rodioda in person, I appreciate you guys so much. I know I'm a small creator, but all of this still means something to me, and I appreciate it very much, and I'd like to say thank you to all of you. That's crazy. Well done to him, I'll be so honest. Well done. You just got my little pops. That's mad. I can smell their car. I can smell it. Turn that off. That's crazy. The W204 is one of the best sounding cars, I'll be so honest, and it has an exhaust system which is, I'm not too sure, but I need to straight pipe this, man. I need to do a res delete. That's crazy, even that C63. Oh, let me drop back a bit. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect 4th spot as well. Damn. Fairs. Very fairs. Right guys, we are heading back to London. I went the wrong way. If you guys liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share the video, share it with your family, friends, share it with your granddad, share it with your grandkids, whatever, I don't care. But please, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got more content like this coming, POV content. We're gonna be doing night runs, coffee runs, city runs, all of the above, man, all of what you can think of. Hopefully we can get this car sorted out, as I got a little, basically a very big scratch, dent, whatever. And I got a few things to sort. I might break this. And I gotta do anyways, that's for another video. But because my GoPro's on low charge, I'm gonna call it right here. Thank you guys for watching again. Like, subscribe and comment, share the video, and thank you for watching. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget, drive in luxury.